The future of transportation is here, and it's electric. From self-driving cars to supersonic hyperloops, this video reveals the incredible advancements shaping how we get around and the impact they will have on our lives. Let's start with electric cars. These are cars that don't need fuel, like petrol or diesel. Instead, they run on batteries, just like your toys or your phone. You plug them in to charge, and then you can drive around without making smoke or pollution. People like electric cars because they are clean, quiet, and cheap to use. They don't make dirty smoke, and they help keep our air clean. Also, they don't need as much maintenance because they have fewer moving parts. Big car companies like Tesla, Volkswagen, and Hyundai are making lots of electric cars now. Some look really cool and go super fast. Many countries are even planning to stop selling petrol cars in the future and only use electric ones. Now let's talk about something that sounds like science fiction, the Hyperloop. Imagine sitting in a pod, like a tiny train, that goes faster than an airplane. That's what a Hyperloop does. A Hyperloop is a super fast train that travels inside a big tube with no air. This makes the pod go really, really fast, over 700 miles per hour. That's faster than a jet. Companies like Virgin Hyperloop are working to make it real. One day, you might be able to go from one city to another. In just 30 minutes, that means less waiting and more time having fun. Next, let's talk about self-driving cars. These are cars that drive by themselves. You don't need to touch the steering wheel or press the pedals. The car sees everything around it using cameras and sensors, and it decides where to go, all by itself. Companies like Tesla and Waymo are already testing these cars on roads. Some taxis in the United States can even drive without a driver. Self-driving cars can help keep us safe because they don't get sleepy or distracted. They follow the rules and drive carefully. In the future, children who can't drive yet or people who can't see well might still get to travel safely in these cars. But self-driving cars still need more testing to make sure they don't make mistakes. Scientists and engineers are working hard to make them even better. We also need to make sure that how we travel does not hurt our planet. That's why we need sustainable or earth-friendly transportation. One way is by using clean public transport like electric buses or trains. These can take many people at once, which means fewer cars on the road and less pollution. Another way is by using bicycles or walking for short trips. Some cities are making bike paths and walking areas to help people stay safe while moving around without cars. There are even cool ideas like flying cars and delivery drones. Flying cars can take off straight up like a helicopter and help people avoid traffic. Drones can carry packages to your house without a truck. All of these things help us take care of the earth while still getting where we need to go. So, what will the world look like in the future? Streets will be filled with electric cars. Some roads may have no drivers at all. You might go to school or work in a robot taxi. People will travel between cities in hyperloops. Maybe you'll even take a flying car to visit shopping malls. Cities will be smarter. Traffic lights will talk to cars. Your phone will tell you the fastest and cleanest way to travel. There will be fewer traffic jams and more parks, trees, and clean air. This future will help the Earth stay healthy and make life easier and more fun for everyone. But to make this future happen, we all have to help. That means learning about these new technologies, using clean transport when we can, and sharing these ideas with others.